Hello, I'm Marcus Boston.
And I'm Renee Boston.
And we are both medical malpractice attorneys practicing law in the state of Maryland. And today we would like to talk with you about why a medical expert is very important in a Maryland medical malpractice case. Now, the basis of this video today is going to deal with a fact pattern or case study that we were reviewing. And in this particular case, the plaintiff, the person bringing the lawsuit, was saying that their heart attack could have been prevented if the doctor at the hospital, the defendant, would have done certain things. And Renee, do you want to go ahead and explain to everybody what the big fuss was in this particular case?
Of course. The plaintiff and his doctor stated that a cardiac angiogram should have been performed immediately when the patient presented himself to the emergency room. Now, the defendant doctor didn't do one and said because it wasn't medically necessary, that is why he didn't do one. And the patient did suffer a massive heart attack while he was in this doctor's care, and that was the issue at hand. So with the medical expert, you have to have someone to go on record to say what is the standard of care, and not only what is the standard of care, but did that doctor's deviation from the standard of care cause his patient's injuries? And
it's ultimately up to the jury to be the ones who are going to decide whether they believe what the plaintiff side is saying or whether they believe what the defendant side is saying.
Right.
So guys, why have we taken the time today to explain this very important concept with you? Because we realize that if you are watching this video today, you have questions, you have concerns, you want to understand whether you were the victim of medical malpractice, and if you were the victim of medical malpractice, is there anything that you can do about it? Well, if your matter happened in Maryland, this is what we invite you to do. Pick up the phone and give us a call. We can be reached at 301-850-4832. Or if you prefer, you can send us an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. We answer questions like yours all the time, and we will be glad to sit down and listen to your story. Well, guys, that's it for today's short educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston.
And I'm Renee Boston.
And we will see you next time. Take care and have a great day.